if I had it my way.
Okay, let's get to it. Let's get to this. This is my night routine, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. I use this Ambi soap, guys. I really don't even use nothing on my face. Nothing. Nothing, guys. I use water. Water only. But when I get in the shower, I use Ambi. But like in the morning, before work, use water. That's all I need. My face pretty smooth, guys. Let me get back to the shower. I almost swallowed this nose ring. I'm just gonna be myself like, well, y'all don't give a damn what nobody say. Cause let me tell y'all, if y'all ain't know, I'm an Aries, and we don't give a damn. Alright guys, I'm out of the shower. I feel refreshed. I just got off work. I'm about to brush my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth with this Crest D3 White, Almost Gone Charcoal Toothpaste. Let me go ahead and get into it. Close up my robe before I be exposed. Ooh. Now that I'm done brushing my teeth, as you guys can see, I have locks in my hair now. DIY locks that I did on my own. And I love them. And if you see that first video, that's been since December the 2nd. I started my DIY locks, and this is 1 month in, and I didn't do a updated video, but it have grown. I just took this out so it's not gonna really lay, but it did grow, and I love it. Like, I love my locks. And if y'all want to see like update videos on my locks, let me know. Let me know down below if y'all want to see more videos. But I'm just gonna get ready and section my hair off and just show y'all what I do to my hair. I don't really do a lot to my hair, and I think that's why it's growing, because I'm not doing too much to it. But this right here is a little bit of water and hair growth. Maybe this is wild growth. Yeah, wild growth, but it's for the hair. Maybe this is the reason why it's stretching, like growing. Because I don't really do nothing to it, you know. But I'm just going to put it in a couple of, like 4 big braids. And then tie it up. And that's it. So I'll do it in the camera. I'm not going to really tie it up. I'm just going to put my little sleeping cap, satin cap that I got on it. I'm about to make my own satin cap design soon. Because as you guys, if you guys don't know, I am a crafter, and I craft everything, and I do every freaking thing you could think of. I just love crafting it. What's so crazy, y'all? Since I had my locks, I have not used any freaking edge control. And I used to be the edge control queen with the natural hair, because, you know, my edges be like, hey, partner, what's going on here? I ain't finna stay in today. I'm going out with you. As soon as I put some on there, get the popping out. But I haven't put any in there since my locks. hair, guys, I don't braid all the way to the end. I braid it like all the way like far enough, and then I just twist the ends. When I get out the shower at night, I don't like to put lotion on because I don't like the feeling of being wet or sticky in the bed. That just make me feel like I'm in a wet bed, or bed with just like wetness and moist and slime to it. So I'm not gonna put on no lotion. So I'm not even gonna cap and tell y'all I put on some lotion, because I didn't. Okay, y'all, this is the satin cap that I was talking about. So I just put that on my head like so. Put it on my head like that. And then this is my Fitbit. I put this back on my wrist because I need to monitor my sleeping, only because I like to know how many hours I slept. But anyway, what I like to do now, since the year 2020, what I used to do back in the day all the time is write in a journal. Then I stopped for years, and I feel like I need to start back writing in a journal, just because I think because I found some of my old journals and I was reading it, and I was like, wow, it's really good to just have like old memories like that, like what you used to, how you used to feel, your thought process, all that kind of stuff. I need to get more organized, so I need to get so I'm taking baby steps as being organized, because I need to organize my life for real. I need to change a lot of things in my life. Anyway, that's another video. This is night routine, and this is show y'all a little bit of it. And yeah, so I'm about to write. Then I'm gonna watch a little bit of YouTube, and I'm gonna go to bed. Actually, I've been taking these. My sister told me about these black seed oil pills, which is good for, like, you know, blocking everything that tries to enter your body as cold and sickness and stuff like that. She takes the liquid form. I don't have that, so right now I'm taking what I have, and I will be ordering more. I drink a big gallon of water though. It takes 2 days to drink a big gallon of water, and you can't go wrong with some chapstick. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy that night time routine. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, come back to my channel, because I promise I'm gonna start posting more content, better content, and just doing more. You know, if you want to know the real me, and if you want to know how I am, and you want to know life Valentine, come back to my channel, because I'm just gonna start being myself. I lost myself. That's why I'm so mad at myself, because I used to be. I'm not even gonna say used to be. I'm gonna say I am very bubbly person. I'm the one that like walk in the party and turn the party out. Like, I'm that person. I'm a little loud, but you'll get used to that. I'll do another video on that. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe, come back to my channel, and comment down below of some things you want to see, because I'm about to bring a lot of shit to this too. Like, for real. I'm about to like go hard on here. Alright, thank y'all so much. Okay, let's get it. Ugh.